Cadiz City. Where to stay in Cadiz? If you happen to be in this area, I'm here staying at RL Apartel. So it's RL Apartel here in Cadiz. I'll show you the room. So this is the place. Welcome, welcome. Reception area of RL, and they have nice rooms actually. So I've stayed here last night, and I will show you my room as of last night, but it was still okay. And let's check out the rates that we have here. So let's check out the prices. Here are the prices of their rooms. They have for as low as 775 pesos, and then it could go up to 1,000, and many other rooms available depending on your budget. So it's a nice place here in Cadiz. And they also have friendly staff and nice ambiance and basic simple amenities. It's pretty clean and comfortable and cheap, and I'm very pleased with my stay here in Cadiz. By the way, this is our car for this journey. It's an automatic. Alright, and that's what I have to deal with. I'm the driver. Nice, cozy reception area, and that is the cafe at the back. Unfortunately, they don't offer free breakfast. It's just rooms, but that's all right because there are a lot of places to dine in here at Cadiz. A simple, cheap, and very reasonable. I'll show you my room. So this is my room for 775 a night. Not bad, huh? So very nice, clean, comfortable. It has some TV, and I also did my computer work last night. And of course, they have the bathroom right there. Sorry about my towel. Yeah, I just had a shower. Well, okay, about the shower, it doesn't really work. As usual here in the Philippines, we have this shower, but normally if it doesn't work because water pressure is not that big here in the Philippines. So if the water doesn't go up, there's always the pail and the dipper. So you take a bath in the shower. That's what they mean when Filipinos take a bath. In Ilonggo or Tagalog, paligo, or in short, ligo. So it's acceptable if you say ligo or paligo, or to take a bath. So this is our bathroom, and you take a bath using the pail and the dipper and in the shower. This is my take on Ken's amazing life journey, and I'm with him together with Hannah, and we are doing this first leg of his adventure outside of Bacolod. So we are now in Cadiz City, and we spent the night here at RL Apartel, the place to be here in Cadiz. This place is very near the bus station, so you won't lose your way around here, because if you're riding on a bus, as soon as you get off the bus, there's this apartel to stay in. So how convenient, right? And we are starting off our journey outside of Bacolod and explore the island. I'm your official tour guide, and see what we can discover. This is Joan of Arc, and see you once again in our next video. Bye-bye for now. Watch out. Like, share, and subscribe. And see you in our next leg of this trip. Bye-bye.